In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off fast wireless charging on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on battery. Then you swipe up to go down and tap on more battery settings. In here, go to the charging section and tap on fast wireless charging. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And if you tap on the left hand side panel, there will be some more information. So make sure the center part of the back of your phone is aligned with the center of the charger. And with some chargers, fast wireless charging produces a fan noise or a bright light. To reduce disturbance, you can create a routine to set a schedule for fast wireless charging. Now, if we place this phone on the fast wireless charging, it will allow you to quickly charge up your device. So again, they say that you need to make sure the phone is at the center of the device. So this is the coil at the center right here. So place them at the center, not on the side or on this side, but at the center for a maximum efficiency when charging your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.